What is the principal's role in granting power of attorney? Imagine handing over the keys to your most valuable possessions and decisions. That's essentially what the principal does when granting a power of attorney. The principal is the person who creates and authorizes someone else to act on their behalf. This role is at the heart of estate planning and future directives. The first step for the principal is choosing the right person to be their agent or attorney in fact. This should be someone they trust completely, like a family member, close friend, or a trusted advisor. It's important that the agent is reliable and capable of handling responsibilities, whether managing finances or making healthcare decisions. Next, the principal decides what powers to give the agent. They can choose broad authority, allowing the agent to handle all financial and legal matters, or limit the scope to specific tasks. For example, they might authorize the agent only to pay bills or make healthcare choices. The principal also determines when the power of attorney becomes effective. They can set it to start immediately after signing or only if they become unable to make decisions. This is called a springing power of attorney. Understanding their own capacity is vital. The principal must be mentally competent when signing the document. They need to understand what they are granting and who they are trusting with their affairs. If they sign without capacity, the power of attorney could be invalid. When executing the document, the principal must follow state laws, which often requiring signing in front of a notary public and witnesses. This step makes the document legally valid and enforceable. The principal should also clearly communicate their wishes to the agent. This helps guide decision-making, especially about healthcare preferences or financial management. They should also know they can revoke or change the power of attorney at any time, as long as they are mentally capable. This gives them control over their future and ensures their interests are protected. In elder law, the principal's role becomes even more important. As they plan for potential future incapacity due to aging or illness, choosing the right agent and setting clear instructions can protect their well-being and financial security. A durable power of attorney stays in effect even if they become unable to make decisions. Many principals choose trusted adult children or caregivers to handle their affairs, ensuring continuous management of their estate. Overall, the principal's active involvement in selecting the agent, defining the scope of authority, and communicating their wishes is essential. It helps maintain control over their future and ensures their wishes are respected, no matter what happens later on.